In the simulation, we will be observing the retrograde motion of Mercury demonstrated from October to December of 2018. This video begins on October 1st, 2018, where Mercury can be located in the top left corner of the screen. This view would be for Miami, Florida, during night if clouds were not obstructing the view. Moving forward, day by day, we can see that Mercury is also moving forward and down in a diagonal line. This is because Mercury is moving at a faster speed than Earth, and it can pass between Earth and the Sun. Mercury begins to move backwards during the second week of November. This is called retrograde motion. Retrograde motion will continue for a short period of time and then switch back to the regular movement observed in the sky. While Mercury does move faster than planet Earth, it has a high elliptical orbit, so the speed at which it is traveling relative to Earth changes. Mercury is observed to be slowest when it is far from the Sun, so it appears in our night sky as if we could catch up to and pass the planet. In this case, Mercury returns to its forward motion on December 14th, 2018.